children, how are you all? I hope you all must be fine. Myself Nisha Soni, faculty member of Sri Vasisht Vidyalaya, is back again with geometry topic in maths. Children, already we have learnt about lines, ray, point, isn't it? And today we are going to learn about plane shapes. So let us begin. Children, what are plane shapes? A shape that can be drawn on a plane surface or a sheet of paper, isn't it? That is called a plane shape. Some of the plane shapes are rectangle, square, triangle, circle. Now let us know what is rectangle. As you can see in the picture, a rectangle is a four-sided figure. Okay, it has four corners and four sides. Then opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Okay, the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. It has four sides and four corners. Okay children, now let us see something else about it. The line joining the opposite vertices of a plane shape is called a diagonal. Here in this picture you can see that these both lines are joining the corners. So they are what they are called? They are called diagonal. Okay children? Now diagonals of a rectangle are equal. Yes, the diagonals of a rectangle are equal in length. Okay? Now these are the examples of rectangle shapes. You must have seen playing cards at your home. They are of rectangular shape. Okay? Then your door, window, then photo frame. Okay children? So these are some examples of rectangle shape. Now let us learn about square. So what is a square? A square is also a four-sided figure. It has four vertices, means four corners, and four sides. Now all the sides of a square are equal. Yes, children, in rectangle the opposite sides were equal, but in a square the four sides are equal. All the four sides are equal. And one more thing, both the diagonals of a square are equal. Yes, in rectangle also the diagonals are of equal length, and in square also the diagonals are of equal length. Now what are some examples of square? See, your carom board, your chess board, your dice, the surface of a dice, isn't it looks like a square. These are few examples of square, and many more you can find out at your home. The next shape is triangle. Triangle is a three-sided figure. So triangle is a three-sided figure. It has three corners or vertices. Okay. Now we can see here three corners, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now children, the sides of a triangle, they may be equal or they may not be equal. Okay. As in rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. In the square, all sides are equal. But in a triangle, the sides may be of equal length or they may be of different lengths. Okay. But if it is a three-sided closed figure, then it is called a triangle. Now let us see some examples of triangle. Oh wow, nachos, your favorite nachos, pizza, then hanger, then your sandwich bread, then your signboard. All these are of triangular shape. And mountains, whenever you are drawing a scenery, what do? First of all, you draw the mountains of which shape? Triangular shape, isn't it? Now let us learn about circle. So what is a circle? A circle is a round figure. Okay, then it has no corners or no sides. It does not have any side, and it does not have any corner like your square, rectangle, triangle. Can you find any corner? No, it does not have any corner. Okay children? Then see, O is called the center of a circle. Yes, here you can see what is this O. This O is the center of the circle, means the midpoint of the circle. Okay? Then the line joining the center to any point on the circle is the radius. Here you can see that this line is joining the center and any other point on the circle. So what is this line called? This line is called radius. Okay. Now a few examples of circle. See, what are the examples of circle? Okay, the football, the picture of a football looks like a circle. Then your sliced lemon is called also a circle, is also looking like a circle. Then your buttons, your favorite donuts, even your pizza, the pizza is also of round shape or circular shape. Okay, these are few examples of circle, and many more you can find out at your home. Then let us recall what we have learnt now. A square has 4 equal sides, a rectangle has 4 sides, and the opposite sides are equal. So a square has 4 equal sides, but a rectangular has opposite sides equal. Okay? Then a triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. The diagonal is the line joining the opposite vertices of a plane shape. So what is a diagonal? The diagonal is the line joining the opposite vertices or corners of a plane shape. The diagonals of a rectangle and square are of equal length. Okay. Then a circle has no sides and no vertices. The circle does not have any side, nor does it have any corner. Okay. Now children, what a beautiful mouse I have made. Can you see this? Now what you have to do? You have to find out the number of squares, rectangles, triangles and circles from the given picture. So can you find it out for me? So do this activity at your home and have some fun. And one more thing also you can do. You can draw few shapes like circle, triangle, square, and this circle, and you can also make many more figures like this and enjoy. Thank you. Happy learning.